Hey everybody, this is a real quick video in case you have Sony WF-SP800N wireless Bluetooth earbuds and you need to do a hard reset to the factory default settings on them. Now you're going to want to do this for one of two reasons. The first one is troubleshooting. If these earbuds are not connecting to your device, or if they're not pairing or syncing with Bluetooth, or if you're only getting sound out of the left ear or out of the right ear, or they're not responding, a lot of these issues, and you've tried a soft reset or a reboot and it didn't work, a hard reset can fix a lot of these issues. Now you're going to need to set them up again because all of the pairing history and everything will be wiped off of them. And that's the second reason you might want to do this. If you're setting them up on a new device or whatever, and you just want to get a fresh start and have them forget all the previously paired devices, we can go ahead and do that quite easily. We just need to put them in the case like so, leaving the lid open, and then we're just going to very simply come in behind and press both earbuds at the same time, the button on the back of each earbud at the same time for about 10 seconds until the indicator lights start to blink in red. Once they come on red, then you can just go ahead and release them and just let it do its thing. And if it worked, then they will reset, and you will know they reset because the indicators will then flash blue 4 times, indicating that it's complete, the initialization is complete. Then you can go ahead, take your earbuds out and set them up as a new set of earbuds.